Dear children, so welcome to the session. So in last class, we discussed about the oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, and redox reaction. So what is the term oxidation reaction? The oxidation means addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, and loss of electrons. Is known as oxidation reaction. And reduction. So reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen and gain of electrons is known as reduction reaction. And redox, so in the term redox, RED indicates reduction, OX indicates oxidation. So we can tell it as both the oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. It is known as redox reaction. Let me continue with it. The question is, a brown substance X on heating in air forms a substance Y when hydrogen gas is passed over heated Y, it changes back into X. So name the substance X and Y. So a brown substance X, a brown color substance X, that means we can tell it as copper. On heating in air, this copper is heated with oxygen, forms a substance Y. It forms a substance Y. So what does it forms? When copper is heated, copper, what is the color of copper, children? Brown. When it is heated with oxygen, what is the product it will form? It will form copper oxide, CuO. Then what is the color of copper oxide, children? So last class we see, no? The copper oxide color is black color. So the X is copper and Y is copper oxide. And one more reaction they will continue with that. When hydrogen gas is passed over heated Y, it changes back into X. So Y is copper oxide, CuO. So with that Y, hydrogen gas is passed, H2. Hydrogen gas is passed. Hydrogen gas is passed over heater. So we have to heat. It changes back into X. So the copper oxide is treated with hydrogen gas with presence of heat. The copper oxide is converted to copper plus water, H2O. The black surface of copper oxide is treated with the hydrogen means it will convert it to brown. It is copper. So the name of the substance. So here you can see the balancing it. Copper here it's 1. Here also it 1. Oxygen here it's 2. Here it's only 1. So we have to put 2 here. If you put 2 here means copper it's having the number of atoms is 2. Here it's 1. So before copper we have to put 2. Now the equation is balanced. So here you can see 1 copper, 1 copper, 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 2. So what is the question? Name the substance X and Y. So the X is copper and Y is copper oxide. So this is the first question. And second question is name the type of reaction occurring during both the changes. So what type of reaction takes place? So in the first reaction, oxidation reaction takes place. In second reaction, redox reaction takes place. So we can tell it as redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction takes place. And write the chemical equation. So chemical equation we already discussed. No, the first equation is when copper is treated with oxygen, so it will form copper oxide. So here there is a correction, children. Oxygen, the letter for oxygen is capital only, not small o. Okay, CuO. And the copper oxide is treated with the hydrogen, it will form copper plus water, H2O. So this is the equation. In first equation, what is the reaction taking place? Oxidation. The copper is converted to copper oxide, addition of oxygen. So in second equation, the copper oxide is converted to copper. CuO is converted to Cu. So here the oxygen is removed of oxygen. So we can tell it as reduction. And here you can see the hydrogen is converted to H2O. The H2 is converted to H2O. So here the oxygen is added, addition of oxygen. So addition of oxygen means we can tell it as oxidation. So both reduction and oxygen takes place, so that we can tell it as redox reaction. So in this equation, both reduction and oxidation takes place. Redox reaction means both oxidation and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously, is known as redox reaction. So here you can see, identify the substance that are oxidized and the substance that are reduced in the following reactions. So here which one is oxidized and which substance is reduced? You can see here the sodium Na is converted to Na2O. Sodium with presence of oxygen, it will form sodium superoxide. So Na plus O2 gives Na2O. So here the Na is converted to Na2O. Oxygen is added here. So the Na is oxidized. So sodium metal is oxidized. And here the O2 is converted to Na2O. With that O2, it will convert to Na2O. See here, the O2 is converted to Na2O. So here, the oxygen, O2 is there, no. So here only O oxygen. So here, the oxygen is removed, no. So the oxygen is the substance that are reduced. So we can tell it as sodium is oxidized as it gain oxygen. It gain oxygen and oxygen gets reduced. Oxygen gets reduced. So sodium is oxidized and oxygen is reduced. So these are the following substance. And next is identify the substance that are oxidized and the substance that are reduced in the following reaction. So here you can see the copper oxide plus hydrogen gas is converted to copper plus water. Here the copper oxide is converted to copper. The copper oxide is converted to copper. Here the oxygen is removed. So removal of oxygen means we can tell it as reduction. So the CuO is oxidized substance and H2 is converted to H2O. So here the oxygen is added, addition of oxygen. So we can tell it as H2 is oxidized. So CuO is reduced and H2 is oxidized. So copper oxide is reduced to copper. Copper oxide is reduced to copper. While hydrogen gas get oxidized to water. So CuO is reduced to Cu and H2 is oxidized to H2O. Okay children, see you on next session.